Welcome to another video. So today we have an interesting exponential equation combining indices. So we have 5 raised to x minus 2 is equals to 20, and we have asked to find the value of x. So I'm going to take you through step by step up to the final solution. We're going to verify and find the values of x, and if possible verify it. So kindly watch up to the end and let us dive into the solution. So if you're watching us for the first time, subscribe to this channel, turn a notification on, and comment. So recall that wherever you have an exponent of a raised to power n minus m, then this can be simplified or written as a raised to n divided by a raised to m. So applying that law here, then this gonna be written as 5 raised to x divided by 5 raised to 2 is equals to 20. Up to that particular point, I'm gonna pre-multiply or cross-multiply each so that I end up with 5 raised to x is now equals to 20 multiplied by 5 raised to 2. Well, this can be further expressed as 5 raised to x is equals to 20 multiplied by 25, which implies that 5 raised to x is equals to 500. So it looks nice. So the next approach, I'm going to eliminate this x by introducing the logs on both sides, the logarithms. So taking the logs on both sides of that, and then this x comes down as x to the log of 5 should be equals to the log of 500. At that particular point, for me to remain with x alone, then I'm going to divide all through by the log of 5, divide by the log of 5. I'll remain with x is equals to. At the same time, you need to recall, how do I rewrite 500 in terms of its factors? I know 500 can be written as 5 to the power of 3, which is of course 125, multiplied by 2 to the power 2, which of course 4. So applying that here, my equation now going to change to the log of 5 power 3 multiplied by 2 power 2 divided by the log of 5. Expanding this using the log of a multiplied by b, then this is the same as taking the log of a plus the log of b. Now x becomes the log of 5 to the power 3 plus the log of 2 to the power 2 divided by the log of 5. So this comes down as x is equals to 3 to the log of 5 plus 2 to the log of 2, and then I'm going to write each under log 5 to the log 5. So it's very clear to see that the log of 5 and the log of 5 cancels, and then I'm going to remain with 3 plus 2 to the log of 2 divided by the log of 5. And you need to recall that wherever you have a number written as the log of a divided by the log of b, then this can be written under a single log as log a to the base b. So applying this relationship here, I end up with the value of x now being equals to 3 plus 2 to the log of 2 base 5. This can be further be computed using your scientific calculator, and it is approximately equals to 3.861 for our value of x. So guys, I hope you are still watching us. Comment, like this video, share, and turn your notification on. Let us go ahead and verify our answer. I know that 5 raised to x minus 2 should be equals to 20. So wherever I have x, I'm going to substitute the all of this, so that 5 in bracket 3 plus 2 to the log of 2 base 5, of course minus 2, should be equals to 20. Next, so here the powers are added, so separating the powers gonna be multiplied. I'm gonna multiply the bases since the powers are added. So multiply by 5 raised to, of course these 2 can come there as the log of 2 power 2, and when I'm subtracting, then it's equals to dividing 5 raised to power 2 like that, should give me 20. Next step, I know that this can be written as 5 power 3 multiplied by 5 to the log of 4 divided by 5 to the power 2. Remember, there's a base 5 there, so there's base 5. Sorry for that. And you need to recall that wherever you have a raised to the log of b base a, then this sum is equals to b. That is another relationship you need to know. So rewriting that, this and this gonna cancel, and then I'm gonna end up with 5 to the 3 multiplied by 4. Of course, there's a base and there's a base. Using this identity, divide by 5 to the power 2 should give me 20. Next, if I have 5 power 3 and 5 power 2, then this is the same as subtracting the powers as 3 minus 2 multiplied by 4, giving me 20. When you take 3 minus 2, you end up with 5 power 1, which is of course 5 multiplied by 4, giving me 20. And 5 power 1 is 5. So taking 5 power 4, 5 multiplied by 4 is equals to 20. And of course, you're able to prove that this 20 is the same as this 20. So guys, we've come to the end of this tutorial. I hope you've watched to the end and learned. Remember to like this video, share it, subscribe, turn your notification on. We have a playlist containing a series of similar sum, so you can check them out. Until we meet again in the next video, goodbye for now.